Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Windows tips and tricks in Windows 10 or 11 PC. Windows 10 or 11 watching what you are doing and offering advice the operating system. It could slow down your PC. Turning off Windows sessions for you should help things run more smoothly. So if you want to speed things up, tell Windows to stop giving you advice. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Shut off Windows tips and tricks. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. In the settings page, click on System Entry like this, and in the left pane, select the notification and actions like this. Then go to the right pane. In the notification and actions management area, scroll down to the notification section and uncheck the box marked Get Tips, Tricks and Suggestions as you use Windows like this. Once it's done, Windows should run more smoothly. Close the Windows. Now Windows should run more smoothly. That's
I hope
it.
this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.